Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, for those of you that participated in the DOGS airdrop and you used bitget exchange as your withdrawal exchange on DOGS, please go and confirm this. So for those of you that use bitget exchange, congratulations. So recently I made a video on how to deposit on bitget exchange. So for now guys, go and confirm your allocation for those of you that use bitget exchange to withdraw your DOGS allocation. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more greens to your wallet.